Have you ever noticed that getting out of bed feels like a bigger task than it used to? Maybe you plan to jump out with energy, but instead, you sit there for a moment, waiting for your legs to feel strong enough. Or perhaps you find yourself struggling more than before to rise from your favorite chair. Maybe feeling a bit off balance has become more common for you. It's easy to dismiss these changes as just part of aging, right? But what if I told you that these little moments could be pointing to a deeper issue? This silent problem is known as sarcopenia, a condition that causes our muscles to shrink and weaken as we get older. It's quite alarming because studies show that about 1 in 3 individuals over 60 experience this condition without even realizing it. Many people don't become aware until a fall drastically alters their daily life or diminishes their independence. Research indicates that those with sarcopenia are twice as likely to experience falls, leading to increased risks of hospitalization or long-term disabilities. Even scarier, muscle loss can occur while you are sleeping. Yes, if you're going to bed without the right nutrients, your body might start breaking down muscle as you rest. You may think you're recovering overnight, but without the essential building blocks, you could be waking up weaker every day. This is why what you eat before bed could be the most vital meal of your day, especially after you turn 60. Today I'm excited to share some remarkable findings. Scientists have identified 7 specific bedtime foods that can act as strong allies in combating this muscle loss and may even help rebuild it. These are not just ordinary snacks. They have shown great potential in improving strength and recovery, even for those in their 70s or 80s. I'll reveal the most effective food at the end, which has been clinically proven to help reverse muscle loss. This is one you won't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we dive into today's video, please let us know where you're joining us from down in the comments. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us bring you responsible health tips, which are essential for everyone, especially seniors. Now let's get started. Number 1. Eggs. Starting off our list is the classic food item, eggs. Often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, eggs contain high-quality protein that all seniors should consider incorporating into their meals. When prepared correctly, especially as soft-boiled or poached eggs, they deliver a significant amount of protein while being easy to digest. Immediately upon consuming, your body starts taking advantage of the 9 essential amino acids found in eggs, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. One amino acid, leucine, deserves special attention because it has been shown to be particularly effective at kickstarting muscle protein synthesis. This means it plays a vital role in your body's ability to build new muscle. In fact, research published in Nutrition Research found that older adults who included protein-rich foods like eggs in their bedtime routine saw a substantial 25% increase in muscle building overnight compared to those who did not. A quick tip to maximize this benefit: consuming eggs in their lightly cooked form enhances their bioavailability, making it easier for your body to absorb the essential nutrients, especially for seniors whose digestive systems may work at a slower pace. Beyond proteins, eggs also provide essential vitamins like vitamin D and B12, both critical for muscle health and nerve function. When prepared correctly, especially as soft-boiled or poached eggs, they deliver a significant amount of protein while being easy to digest. Immediately upon consuming, your body starts taking advantage of the 9 essential amino acids found in eggs, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. One amino acid, leucine, deserves special attention because it has been shown to be particularly effective at kickstarting muscle protein synthesis. This means it plays a vital role in your body's ability to build new muscle. Number 2. Almond butter. Next on our list is almond butter, an often overlooked bedtime snack that's rich in nutrients. It combines healthy monounsaturated fats, protein, and essential micronutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. These components work together to combat muscle loss and actively promote regeneration while you sleep. Almond butter is also plentiful in arginine, an amino acid known for improving blood flow to muscles, aiding in nutrient delivery, and promoting effective repair processes overnight. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who included unsaturated fats from foods like almond butter in their diet showed superior muscle retention rates compared to those who did not. Those who added almond butter to their evening routine maintained approximately 15% more lean mass during periods of inactivity or recovery from illness. To integrate almond butter into your nighttime meal, it's simple. Try spreading a tablespoon on whole grain toast or stirring it into warm oatmeal for a delightful treat. You can even mix it into a bowl of cottage cheese for additional protein. Just 1 tablespoon of almond butter contains about 3 grams of protein and 8 grams of healthy fats, helping to stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the night. When choosing almond butter, it's essential to opt for natural varieties without added sugars or hydrogenated oils, ensuring you receive the maximum benefits for your health. Number 3. Tart cherry juice. Sliding into third on our list is tart cherry juice, a powerful option for muscle recovery. This juice is not just a delicious beverage. It possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle soreness and damage while promoting better sleep quality. Quality sleep is vital for effective muscle repair, and research indicates that individuals who consume tart cherry juice report less muscle soreness and faster recovery times. In a notable study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, older adults who drank tart cherry juice for just 10 days found a significant reduction in muscle pain and an overall improvement in strength recovery. The natural antioxidants present in tart cherries, particularly anthocyanins, can combat oxidative stress in your body, playing a pivotal role in muscle preservation. To enjoy these benefits, aim to drink about 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice approximately 30 minutes before bed. If the flavor is too strong for your liking, feel free to dilute it with water or incorporate it into a bedtime smoothie along with yogurt or bananas for added nutrients. The goal is to provide your muscles with the necessary support while you sleep, giving you a more restorative night. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Next, we have pumpkin seeds, small yet mighty little snacks that pack a powerful nutritional punch. These seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and high-quality protein, all crucial for maintaining and rebuilding muscle as we age. Magnesium in particular plays a significant role in regulating muscle contractions and supporting overall muscle relaxation, which can lead to improved sleep quality. Research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society reveals that higher magnesium intake is directly linked to enhanced muscle strength in older adults. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your routine is straightforward. Simply enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons of these nutritional gems about an hour before bedtime. This small serving provides remarkably essential minerals that aid your body's recovery from the day, and they happen to be very tasty. You can consume them raw or lightly roasted, and even sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal to give your meals an extra crunch. The healthy fats and protein found in pumpkin seeds not only contribute to muscle health, but also help keep you feeling satisfied throughout the night, preventing any late-night cravings. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Coming in at number 5 is Greek yogurt, a creamy treat that is loaded with high-quality protein, making it an exceptional option for muscle repair. Greek yogurt undergoes straining to concentrate its protein content, making it a source of both rapid-acting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. This unique combination supports your muscles immediately and continues to provide essential amino acids throughout the night. Research from Frontiers in Nutrition has demonstrated that older adults who include protein-rich snacks, such as Greek yogurt, before sleep experience significant increases in muscle protein synthesis. This is particularly helpful for seniors trying to maintain their strength. Additionally, Greek yogurt offers a good supply of calcium, which is critical for muscle contractions, and it contains probiotics that promote gut health, ensuring that you get the most benefit from the nutrients you consume. To enjoy this nutritious food, add a few toppings, mix in some chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, or a handful of berries for a touch of sweetness and antioxidants. If desired, a small drizzle of honey can enhance the flavor while helping to balance your blood sugar levels. Consuming Greek yogurt about 30-60 minutes before bed can be a satisfying snack that nourishes your muscles all night long. Number 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is 6th on our list and is recognized for its rich casein protein content, making it a staple among health-conscious individuals. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that provides your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids, which are crucial for repair and growth, especially during sleep. Cottage cheese is also an excellent source of leucine, an essential amino acid that plays a vital role in muscle health. Recent studies show that consuming cottage cheese before bed can lead to significant increases in muscle strength and mass, particularly for older adults. To enjoy this nutrient-dense food, mix half a cup of cottage cheese with some chia seeds and a handful of fruit, creating a balanced snack rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins. You could choose berries, which are high in antioxidants, or sliced banana for added flavor and potassium. Just by incorporating a simple bowl of cottage cheese into your evening routine, you can significantly help your body recover and maintain muscle health over time. Number 7. Whey protein shake with collagen and leucine. Finally, we arrive at the ultimate combination, a whey protein shake enriched with collagen peptides and leucine. This potent blend not only helps rebuild your muscles, but also supports the connective tissues surrounding them, such as tendons and ligaments, which can be vital in maintaining overall functionality as you age. Consuming this combination before bed can effectively combat muscle loss and promote recovery. To create this muscle-repairing shake, mix 1 scoop of high-quality whey protein with collagen peptides and approximately 3 grams of leucine powder. Blend this mixture with unsweetened almond milk or water, making it a delicious fluid source of nourishment. You can enhance the flavor by adding a banana or a sprinkle of cinnamon, contributing to a fulfilling and satisfying treat that won't disrupt your sleep. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that older adults who consumed whey protein before bed experienced an increase in muscle protein synthesis by a staggering 32%. Combining this with extra leucine can help elevate the muscle-building response even further, providing you with a strong foundation to rebuild any muscle loss. So there you have it. 7 foods that can genuinely change the trajectory of how your body ages. If you begin by incorporating just one of these nutritional powerhouses into your nightly routine, you could start feeling stronger, more energetic, and noticeably more capable within a matter of weeks. Remember, your muscles aren't gone forever, irretrievably lost to time. Science has shown that even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond, it is possible to regain muscle mass and feel strong and vibrant. All it truly takes is the right fuel given to your body at the right time, right before bed. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed your legs or arms feeling weaker over time? Which of these bedtime foods are you excited to try tonight? Please share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.